What does eating healthy really mean to you?
Because for me, it starts with meals like this.
This is kind of meal that supports your everyday energy, high in protein, low in fat, and simple to make.
Basil isn't just fragrant, it's rich in antioxidants and may support digestion. When paired with lean chicken breast, it's a clean and nourishing meal. Let's get started. Thinly slice a few stacked basil leaves and set aside. Slice the chicken breast against the grain into 7 to 10 millimeters thick pieces. Sprinkle half of the salt to season lightly. In a bowl, add olive oil, lemon juice, salt, chopped basil leaves, and black pepper. Add the chicken and coat well. Then mix in the garlic. Marinate in the fridge for 10 to 30 minutes. Heat a pan over medium heat and cook the chicken until golden on both sides. This would be great after training or on a day I want to eat clean. It keeps me full without feeling heavy. That's a win. Healthy food doesn't have to be boring. When you enjoy what you eat, that's real nourishment. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Enjoy your meal.